officers show up to an illegal house party organized by a school principal. When they arrive on scene, however, things take a turn for the worse.
Because he's 17 and he was here drinking at a party. You're here with your boss having a party with 200 kids who are drinking. Get out of my face.
Hi, I just wanted to let you know that I'm in this group chat with a bunch of kids at this party, and they're all sending videos of like everybody drinking, and there's like fights going on, and I know that everybody drove there, so I just wanted to let you guys know. They're sending like videos on Snapchat, and like there's like fighting and like drinking and stuff.
All right, I'll let the officers know that are watching the area.
I got a runner.
Trespassing!
Hey!
What's up?
Whose party is it?
Neither of us.
Okay. You don't know, huh?
It's like a white lie party, so I do want to pray for you.
Oh my God, you got me.
He's like a
What's up?
preacher.
Is this your party?
No.
Okay. Do you also not know whose party it is? You just saw the fire and showed up like the bat signal?
Yeah, it's like a white lie party.
Oh my God, so how do I know if you're telling me the truth?
That's funny.
Do you need anything?
Wait, what
I need you guys to shut up and fix the parking out here.
Okay.
So the music,
we can get the
music needs to stay down?
I mean, obviously you guys are in the middle of a neighborhood with 60 people here. What do you think?
Okay.
Okay, what truck is it? What kind of truck is it?
There's, dude, the whole parking situation is a show.
Situation?
Look at it.
I'll give you the opportunity before we go up down the street and start writing parking tickets.
Okay.
And
What's that?
cars.
Okay.
No,
Which one?
all
Give
the
you
cars.
opportunity to start
You guys
parking.
The cars need to be facing the right way.
We're gonna
First,
get it right. We got you
I
guys.
would find out
I
whose
would say
party
start
it is.
parking in the yard, fill the yard up
See what
first,
they-
and then park in the road. And the car needs to be facing the correct way in the lane.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll move on.
Which one's yours?
The GMC I talked to.
Oh, okay.
He said it wasn't like that influent, but I don't mind moving it for you.
Go ahead.
All right. Thank you.
And whose party is it?
We're not sure.
Okay.
We'll try to figure it out, but thank you.
Arrest affidavits from the incident indicated that over 100 juveniles were present after it was promoted on Snapchat, with most of them intoxicated and multiple fights breaking out. An officer who pulled over a student leaving the party soon uncovered some alarming details regarding the party they had just left.
Oh, I'm sorry. Corporal Brown, Cocoa Beach Police Department. So, when you first came around the corner on Minuteman, you were at 40 and then you slammed on the brakes because you saw where I was sitting. Then you passed me and then you sped back up to 41.
I was just scared. We left that party up there and we just got uncomfortable. There was someone had a gun and I just got uncomfortable. I wanted to leave.
Someone had a gun?
Yeah, no one shot anything, but someone was like taking pictures of the gun. I just wanted to leave. I'm sorry. I don't know what speed limit. I'm sorry, officer. I have my license and stuff for you.
Right, grab your driver's license. So, was someone showing off they had a gun?
Yeah,
or?
I just felt uncomfortable. I'm around guns. I just don't like when teenagers have them, and it just makes me uncomfortable. We were there, just having a good time. No drinking, no nothing like that. Not that type of person. I used to be a sheriff explorer, so I don't do that type of stuff. I was just there hanging out with friends.
You know who the person was?
No, I don't know. That's why I got uncomfortable.
But it was another teenager?
Yes,
or?
it was definitely a teenager. It was a guy and a girl, and they were taking pictures.
Alright.
I'm really sorry once again.
Yep. Hey, the kid I have stopped was just coming from there. He said another teenager was showing off a signal 0. Just FYI. He doesn't know who it is.
36, can you call your contact and have her 56 one of us, or just have her shut it down?
Devil. Alright, get home safe. Remember the speed limit. What house were you guys at, by the way?
We were the one where you guys were just there. You guys were just there.
Do you know what number?
I know the kid's mom who's running it. Her last name's Brodigan.
Alright, then that's okay. Where's his parents at? Are they not there?
The mom, they throw a party like every week. And the kid's parents let him. And this woman's a principal at that elementary school right there.
While they're home, or are they gone?
She was there when we got there. I don't know where she is now, but I appreciate. I'm sorry once again.
No, you're good.
You have a good one.
Yep, thank you.
2 hours later, the same officer returns to the scene to find a 17-year-old kid throwing up on the sidewalk and in visible distress.
Hi. Hello.
Hi.
Hasn't been feeling good.
Underage drinking will do that. Yeah. How much you have to drink? I'm asking for a reason, because if you need some type of medical attention...
No, I think he's good. I don't think he needs medical attention.
Okay, he's getting a
Yeah.
ride home.
Yeah, I actually think this is his ride right here.
How old are you? I think this is a time where you should answer the question.
How's it going, sir? I'm the one taking him home.
Oh, well, I need to know how old he is first. You guys seem to know him. You guys all think this is funny. I mean, I could have you all call your parents right now. This isn't funny.
No, I don't.
I don't know what to say.
No, I don't either.
So if you can't talk, I'm going to take you to the hospital. So how old is he?
I really don't know.
Where does he live? Where are you taking him? Can you have medical respond to 44? Bro, please. We reference a juvenile possible intoxication. We need them to evaluate him.
Sir, I'm trying to be as soon as possible. I'm trying to take him home. I mean, if you're holding him here and I'm not allowed to go home with him, am I allowed to leave?
I'm having our fire department come check him out first.
No, sir, I'm trying to be as...
I get that,
having a
but
conversation, yeah.
obviously he's a juvenile, and obviously I know he's been drinking, so no one can bullshit me. I'm not dumb. We've been out here all night because of from here, so I need to know who he is, how old he is. I need to call his parents at this point.
I mean, if it has come to that, I know who he is. I don't have his specific contact information, but I know who he is.
So do you want me and her to stay, or like are we allowed to
I mean, if you want to stay with him, if this is your friend, or you guys want to ditch and just make him be responsible, it's up to you.
I mean, if he's being held here by you, then I'm gonna leave.
Yeah, majority of the people have left. There's like a few cars here, but there were some people sitting out here in the yard when I passed by, because I came to check. What month is your birthday?
I'm sorry.
Huh?
I'm sorry, what?
Your birthday. Birthday? He's 17, but he's drunk as he's been thrown up, but I need his vitals and everything checked.
Alright, we'll check him out real quick.
He won't really answer any of my questions, so...
Yeah.
Just kind of a vital check. How you doing? Not good?
Not good.
What's going on?
No, there was a big party with like 200 kids here.
No parents here? How old is this kid?
17. I'm taking him to the hospital regardless, but
Okay.
he's not responsive or anything.
Oh, that's right. There's no school tomorrow.
Yep.
Just alcohol tonight? You didn't take any pills or anything?
Smoke anything with it?
Nope.
Where's your car at?
Your parents know you're out here? Or where do they think you are?
My mom, my parents, I live with my mom, not my dad.
Okay, so does she know you were coming to, where did she think you were going?
Hanging out with friends.
Do you want her to come get her?
Yeah, see if you can get contact
I'm
number.
very cold.
Okay, well it is a little chilly outside. Can you call your mom by chance?
Hello, this is Corporal Brown with the City of Cocoa Beach Police Department. Are you an adult? Yeah, do you know where he is though? Well, he's at a party and he's drunk right now. Yes. Where do you guys live? Okay. Well, yeah, he's at a party here in Cocoa Beach and he's gotten drunk. And I have the fire department here checking him out. Well, we're gonna be waiting at the police department because I can't leave him here at this random person's house that he's at.
What?
How old is he?
He's 17.
Okay.
We're gonna get you in the car, okay?
Alright.
Let's do it. Ready?
Yep.
Alright, just go.
There we go. 1, 2, 3.
We're gonna go to the back seat, okay?
You want to see something? Oh, why don't you put me in... Officer Brown, tell him to put me in handcuffs. What the is wrong with them? I'm concerned about a child that's being put into a machine, into one of these vehicles, and it's none of my business. You say something to them.
Well, they can't disclose information.
You tell. Cocoa Beach has gone mad and nasty.
They don't work for us. That's Brevard County Fire Rescue.
Well, you know I'm a teacher. Who the did you put? Who got put in that car?
Well, it's a kid, but they can't disclose.
No, I was here hanging out at this party. I mean, what's wrong with them? You guys gotta act better.
Do you want the truth? There was like 200 kids here drinking.
I've already known.
Drinking, okay? And you're drunk as well.
I'm not drunk.
Yes, you are. I smell it.
Oh, you smell it.
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
No,
do
we're
a
not
test.
getting through that, but
do a test.
The purpose.
But I'm saying, I'm concerned.
And you're intoxicated too.
Oh, who cares? So I could get in your car and ride with you, or call
because he's 17 and he was here drinking at a party.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you're yelling. You're here with your boss having a party with 200 kids who are drinking. Get out of my face now.
That's on your camera.
It is.
In the meantime, another officer pulled over a group of kids who were returning from the same party.
Alright.
My friend is not feeling well. I'm taking home.
I understand that. What was going on down there?
There's a party, sir. Me and my friends, we left. Us three, he stayed, and unfortunately, he got a little messed up. I'm just taking him home, sir.
Your parents know where you guys were at?
Yes, sir.
They all know that you guys were at this house?
Yes, sir.
What was the deal with the party?
You know, there's some bad stuff going on, sir.
That's what I heard. So that's my concern. Drinking and guns.
No, sir.
I've seen 3 Snapchats with guns already.
No, sir, that's not us, sir.
Were you guys just down here on...
Yeah, we were there, sir. We were not doing that. We were leaving. That's why we left. Me, like I said, us 3, we left when the first time the cops were called because we were there.
Mhm.
And we just left and we just didn't go. You know, we were sitting down there just waiting.
Mhm.
And then, you know, one of our friends said, hey, you know, come back. And we came back and he was pretty messed up, so we just wanted to help him get home. And we're leaving right now, sir.
Why would we get a call that someone's being held at gunpoint and there's Snapchats with guns?
Sir, I have no idea.
Okay. So all of y'all's parents know where you're at?
Yes, sir.
I haven't been out of the house yet. This officer has. So I'm going to talk to him real quick and see what's going on. You guys just wait there for a second. They were stopped at the roadway. One of the kids was over here in the woods puking. He's super sick from that party. Obviously, they all admitted they just came out there. They said there was some really bad stuff going on. They said all of their parents know where they were at, what was going on there.
Someone else, the other kid, I said that there were some people there drinking. The kid that I stopped.
I don't know why we haven't been doing a bunch of traffic enforcement on Minutemen. Everybody's been speeding.
I've been sitting on Minutemen. Well, before that other call came out, but I was sitting on Minutemen.
Have we talked to any parents or anything? Are we doing anything with this?
They talked to the homeowner. She sent majority of the kids on their way.
Okay. All right. You guys call your parents real quick. I just want to hear that they know where you're at, and if you guys are good, I'm going to get you out of here, okay? How old are you guys?
I'm 16.
16?
13.
17.
Hi.
I think he's 18. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey man, this is Officer Smith, Cocoa Beach Police Department.
What's okay?
Did you know that your son was at a party here in Cocoa Beach?
When I talked to him a little bit ago, I thought they were at the gas station.
Well, we went to the gas station, then the party. Remember?
Okay. Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay, well there was a bunch of kids drinking and we're getting a bunch of calls about some pretty serious allegations, so I just want to make sure that all parents are aware of what was going on out there, okay?
Okay. Should we come pick him up?
Hey, Mom, it's me.
What's his name? You guys headed home?
Yeah.
Okay, they're all heading home, okay?
My mom didn't answer.
What about Dad? Anybody else?
I don't have a dad.
Okay.
I swear she did.
He said that she did too, and she thought he was at a gas station. You're 13 years old, hanging out at a party where people are drinking.
Mom, you're on speaker. You're on speaker with the police officer.
Hey, ma'am.
Hello, who is this?
This is Officer Smith, Cocoa Beach Police Department.
Okay. Is my son sober?
Your son's sober, yes, ma'am. He's been super respectful and polite, and he's trying to get everybody home. They left the party as soon as the cops got called the first time, but when I saw the car stop in the roadway and one of the kids is not feeling well, just wanted to make sure all the parents knew what was going on and get them home safe, okay?
Okay.
All right, so he's going to drive them home. You're okay with that, right?
I am all right with that. My son is 100% okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, she was sleeping.
I understand, it's late.
I'm sorry about this, officer.
It's not your fault, all right? You're doing the responsible thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Well, one of my buddies was going to take him home, but I think he wanted to stay, so.
Yeah, I don't have my phone on me, sir. Sorry.
Use my flashlight to look in the car for it. How do you end up in this mix of hanging out with these people that are drinking at 13?
I wasn't trying to do anything like that. I just wanted to come out and
Well, so he wanted to hang out with us, and I was just like, all right, I didn't know. I knew it was a party, but, you know, once we kind of realized, you know, the severity, we kind of just said, you know, let's just leave.
You guys be smart.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm tempted to drive you home because you haven't been able to hold it to your parents. I enjoy working with kids and taking care of you guys and trying to do what's right and make sure you guys are squared away. Okay. I have concerns, right? Obviously, you never know what you're drinking, what people are putting in things. There's all kinds of fake pills. You never know what you're gonna have, right? When people have, and I'm not saying that you guys have done any of this, I'm just letting you guys know, fake pills, 9 people could take the same pill, the 10th person takes it and it's a different dosage in that pill, that person dies. Same thing with alcohol. Does your dad know that you drank before?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's his thoughts on it?
He wants me to be smart and respectful and get people who haven't drank to get me home.
You play sports too, right?
Yes, sir.
This ain't gonna go well for football, man. I'm not calling coach. I'm not saying none of that, but I'm sure they're gonna hear about it. Like I said, we've already been receiving Snapchats. We've already been receiving a bunch of calls about it. My biggest concern, somebody getting hurt or worse. Big parties like that, people end up drinking, someone take advantage of someone. I just did 4 years as a detective. When I got the calls of somebody getting it was usually during something like this. Somebody feeding them too much alcohol until they're unconscious and taking advantage of someone. That party is how these types of things happen. Don't be responsible for something like that, man. Don't be involved with something like that, all right? Because if we get a call that something happened to someone, I at least have 4 names that were at that party at some point, right? So you guys be smart. I appreciate you being sober and getting everybody home. I hope everybody else that drove away from that party was sober. Under 21.02. That's the legal, you can't drink, right? That's it. I'm sure if I had a breath test instrument here and I ran you through that, you'd be getting a court date. I'm not doing that. I don't smell any alcohol coming off of you. So be smart, get home safe, all right?
An investigation was shortly carried out following the the incident, where multiple interviews with students aged 13 to 17 uncovered disturbing details about the party.
According to the arrest affidavit, students told officers there were over 100 students at the party. Alcohol was readily available in coolers inside the house. Students were using marijuana. Someone pointed a firearm, and another punched a peer with a learning disability.
A few days later, officers eventually obtained arrest warrants for both Elizabeth and Carly to take them into custody.
Open the door. Go ahead and step out for me, okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right, turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Can I see your phone?
No, I'll just put it back in my car.
There you go. Thank you. All right, ma'am, come back over here. Hey, you want to double check the double lock? No, we're going to start her right now. I got her if you want to grab your gloves.
Miss Anderson, is there anything on you that's going to hurt me or anything like that?
Do you have someone that can move your car for you, ma'am?
I don't know.
We'd rather not have to tow it.
Someone you can call to move
I tried to pull it in. My husband should be in the condo.
You want to go try to make contact? 21.
Step back for me. You have a seat, okay? Go ahead.
Yeah, I didn't realize I was walking up on the 21 spot.
Great timing.
Can you unlock your car real quick? I'm going to give this to
28.
Miss Anderson. Do you want your cell phone to go with your husband?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And you're Juliet 49 Foxtrot Hotel.
Sir, she wants her cell phone to go with you, okay?
Okay. What's she being arrested for?
She's being arrested for child neglect and contributing to the delinquency of a minor.
How's this?
It'll be all in the case report. I'm not going to sit here and discuss it with you on the side of the road, okay? But I have open charges for her. She knows what this is about. That's why she tried to leave work early. I'm sure she'll be calling you here soon, okay?
All right. We specifically did this away from the school.
We're not trying to berate her through the school, embarrass her, anything like that. That's why we waited until she was down here. All right?
All right.
All right. Let's get out of here.
Hello?
Hello. Is this Elizabeth?
This is.
Hi, this is Detective Rosa with the Cocoa Beach Police Department. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Is there any way I can meet up with you today?
I am not home right now. How can I help you?
I need to meet up with you and speak with you today. Is there any way... Where are you at right now?
We are in Merritt Island.
Okay, is there any way I can meet you over there?
It sounds pretty important. Is something wrong?
Yes, ma'am. It's the same incident that I've been attempting to speak with you about.
Okay. And may I ask, why do you want to see me in person, though?
Because this is your house, and I can't really do these things over the phone, especially since you live within our city.
Right.
But I mean, if I have to meet you out there, that's no problem.
No, I mean, I can meet you. I just don't understand why I have to meet you. Am I in trouble or something?
Well, I mean, how do things look? Honestly, how do they look?
How do they look? I mean...
You had a party at your house with a bunch of kids. The police are notified. It's not a good look. I mean, we definitely need to talk.
Right.
So,
But,
I mean, the longer
is it
that
something that I need to involve a lawyer or something? I mean, to me, it was teenagers, doing things, just having a party that I came home and broke up. I mean, I don't understand why this has anything to do. I mean, I don't understand why we have to go any further from that.
Okay, well, it's already past that, all right? And it's either you meet me now or I have to come find you.
No, I'm not saying I won't meet with you. I'm just I'm saying, do I need to bring a lawyer with me? I mean, do I need to be more concerned of something? Are you going to arrest me? I don't understand.
That would be completely up to you whether or not you want to involve a lawyer.
Okay.
But either way, Ms. Brodigan, we are meeting today. So where would you like to meet?
Let me finish up here and I'll give you a call back.
But where are you at right now?
I'm in Merritt Island.
Where exactly in Merritt Island?
I don't understand these questions. You're frightening me. I'm not understanding why you need
Listen, Ms. Brodigan, is very simple. All right, I need to know exactly where you're at. I have a warrant for your arrest.
A warrant for my arrest?
Listen, and I'm being very honest with you, very clear. You can either meet with me now, and we can take care of this, or else I'm going to have to find you and take care of it.
I will come in. I'm not saying I'm not doing anything. I just want to make sure that I'm not going to... Are you putting me, in jail? I don't understand.
1 p.m. come to the PD.
Yes, I have a warrant for your arrest to take you to the county jail.
Oh my God! I will be with you within an hour. I promise you. I want it.
I will. Then I guess I can expect you at the PD by 1 p.m.
Yes. What time is it now? I don't even know.
12:18.
Give me 1:30. Give me just 1:30. I just need to get back over there.
Okay.
Okay. Goodbye.
Bye.
A few hours later, Elizabeth eventually turned herself into the police station, where both women were taken in for questioning regarding the incident.
So before we get started, I am going to read you your Miranda rights, okay?
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
I do.
With these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now?
I mean, what is my benefit of talking to you? Are you going to take me to
I want to talk to you.
Are you going to take me to jail anyway?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, then I probably just need to get an attorney.
Okay, you absolutely have that right.
Thank you.
All right. So, just to be clear, you don't want to talk to me?
Well, if I'm not, like, you're not offering me anything to speak to you.
No, ma'am. I'm not here to make any deals. I'm just here to get your side of the story.
Okay, well, I just might as well get an attorney.
Okay. All right. Well, then we're going to go ahead and sit back in that other room, okay? All right, Mr. Bodycam, before we begin, I'm going to read you your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
I do.
With these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now?
I don't.
Okay. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Are you Miss Anderson's son?
Yes.
Hi, I'm Detective
Nice to meet
Rosa.
you. I guess I was just seeking any possible information I can ask.
Right now, you're her son?
Yes.
Do you have ID on you?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, your mom's under arrest for child neglect and contributing to the delinquency of minors.
Okay. So you guys probably can't tell me this. I guess what was the basis that prompted that? Is there concrete evidence that I'm unaware of, or is this just kind of here, like he said, she said,
So
or
it's
based off what we've seen?
It's not he said, she said. We have officers out there who were present with your mother at the time of this incident. But as far as going into details about that, it's all going to be in reports in a 923 arrest record, which is public information. Okay.
So I guess, how did the officers see that she was aiding and abetting minors conducting these illegal
So
acts?
it's a very long document, and it's all detailed in description. Okay.
I take it you guys are probably going to wait till the evening time and transfer her.
No, we're about ready to leave right now.
I want you to know, sir, your mom's not convicted of any crime. Do you understand that?
Right. This is a misdemeanor,
No,
correct?
the child neglect is a felony and contributing is a misdemeanor. Now, she's not guilty of any crime until she's proven guilty in a court of law. Okay, so we take the evidence that was presented to us through interviews, through body cam footage, through the incident itself. We conducted multiple interviews, all right, and we look at the statutes and what that violates, and then we take care of it as such. Now, our interpretation is what's called probable cause, okay? Now, when it gets to the courts, that's a totally different monster from us. But we are not saying that your mother is guilty of anything. We're just saying that based off of our investigation, with the evidence and the facts that presented itself that night and subsequent interviews, this is what fits what we've seen. And then we leave it up to a state and judge. Okay, so we're not saying that your mom's guilty. She's not a bad person. We're not saying that at all.
I understand you guys are, what you guys are doing.
We had no choice.
I understand. I guess through the interviews that were conducted and the research that was conducted, I'm confused as to how the property owner falls in line after my mother in this situation. But that's for the court of law to decide on.
Well, the property owner was also placed under arrest.
See, that's news I was not aware of at the
There
time.
have been 2 arrests in this incident, okay? The property owner and your mother.
And I hope you guys understand me stopping by.
No, absolutely.
I expected you to come by.
Hey, I wouldn't, if it was my family, I would want to know too. And we're not saying that your mom's a bad person. Absolutely not. It's just, we have a job to do. Sometimes it stings. It does. Sometimes it's great when it's like a murder suspect or a robbery suspect and we get those people off the streets. But you have to understand, this is involving several juveniles that resulted in another subsequent arrest of one of these juveniles for DUI. And this was a huge incident out there. And it could have had a medical impact on everyone on that street as well as the juveniles involved. The more and more interviews we did, the greater the gravity of the situation presented itself. So we have to do something.
Absolutely. And I understand you guys.
So I am so sorry. I know this is not something that you want to have to deal with. I know this is something your mom doesn't want to have to deal with. Unfortunately, that's the bridge that we're at.
And I thank you guys for informing me this much so far. And I hope that hopefully more information will come to light from my mother's side in the courtroom.
Well, we are constantly investigating.
So thank you guys.
Yes,
Appreciate the information.
Thank you, sir.
As a result, Carly Anderson was charged with felony child neglect without bodily harm, as well as misdemeanor counts of disorderly intoxication, endangering safety, and resisting an officer without violence. A few months later, on May 6th, 2025, Carly was found guilty of her 2 misdemeanor charges, and her felony charge was later dropped. Subsequently, she was sentenced to 18 months of probation with random drug and alcohol testing, 100 hours of community service, and was ordered to pay $3,000 in court fines. She was ultimately placed on administrative leave following the incident, but was released into the classroom the following week.
The school district followed procedures from the Florida statutes and everything else, decided that it was a good idea to allow her to come back for employment. Upon that, literally was the first day that she was back. The same exact day we end up having the body cam footage that comes out.
After the body cam footage came to light, however, Carly resigned from her teaching position in late April of 2025. As for the principal of the elementary school, Elizabeth Hill Brodigan, she faced more serious consequences. Elizabeth was charged with 1 felony count of child neglect, as well as 5 counts of a misdemeanor contributing to the delinquency of a minor, and 1 count of hosting an open house party. No further information is publicly available regarding Elizabeth's legal proceedings, as the case is currently ongoing.